Hey everyone, check out this deluxe wood carving kit designed for beginners and pros alike. You get 8 whittling knives, 5 detail tools, cut-resistant gloves, and a leather strop. Each knife features an ergonomic walnut handle for maximum comfort during long crafting sessions. The razor-sharp high-carbon steel blades ensure precision and great edge retention. Every single tool comes with a genuine leather sheath and a handy organizer case. It makes an amazing gift for any creative friend or family member for the holidays. Grab yours today and start creating your own wooden masterpieces. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.